Hello everyone, this is Ted with OAXRAY, and I know I've been gone a little bit, and I am back, and we're going to talk about that today. So guys, I wanted to, before I actually started releasing videos again, I wanted to address the issue. I've been gone for about a year and a half, 2 years, and what's been going on with me, basically I've had some losses in my family. My mom, my dad, my stepfather, my brother, my grandmother, just the hits keep coming in, the last like 2 or 3 years. So I decided that I would continue my businesses, but I would just kind of stop the videos. It was just becoming a lot. And I have 2 kids at home. We're homeschooling, doing all that stuff. But the pandemic looks like it's coming to an end, and it looks like I have a little bit more time. And everything's working out a little better for me. So I am going to start doing the videos at least once a week. So you're going to see a video come out every week. We're going to talk about a whole bunch of different topics. The good news is that here on, Amazon's just getting bigger. So we're going to go over how Amazon has improved, how some things have gone in a negative way. One thing I want to do on this channel is I want to actually make it a little broader. So I love talking about Amazon, but I'm going to add in some eBay stuff. I'm going to add in a little bit more or a little more venues so that I have a little bit more to talk about. And I'm not talking about Amazon every single day. There's going to be a little variety. It gives me some time to have some more topics. And, if Amazon's a slow week, I have nothing to talk about Amazon, I can move over to eBay, because I realized in the last few years that Amazon is not the only marketplace, and so many people are having issues with possible suspensions or other things that go on whenever you sell on Amazon, that I want to make sure that I can cover a broad base and talk about all different kinds of topics. And we can talk about other things like how you can handle kids and other situations and mix that into your Amazon business. I've actually had some time to think about moving. Am I going to stay in the US? Am I going to go to possibly actually a few places? Bali, I've been looking at Mexico, the Yucatan, things like that. So we're going to talk about some broad topics, but it's mainly going to be Amazon focused. But here and there, you'll hear me occasionally go off topic, talk about eBay, talk about other topics, talk about living with kids and an Amazon business, living with kids and e-commerce. We're going to talk about mobility, how you can move around the world whenever you have this business set up and you have everything running properly, how you can use fulfillment centers, how you can outsource to virtual assistants, and everything else. So we're going to keep the topics coming. If you know me online, you can reach out to me via Facebook. We can talk about topics there, but mainly most things are going to come to the YouTube channel. I love talking to you guys. I'm sorry for my absence, but I've had a ton of stuff going on, and now I feel like everything is in a place where I can get back online. I can start dropping weekly videos, at least, maybe more occasionally than that, whenever I find a topic that I love. We're going to go over what I've been doing in the past year or so, some products that I've bought, some products that I flipped, how you should be making money, and some things you can look out for, because there's been so many events going on. There's been so many hot products. There's been so many things that I have wanted to talk about, and now I have the time, now I have the availability to come out here and talk about it. One thing I would like to just mention briefly, and I'll do a whole episode on this, but I would like to start an online meetup. So far, what I've been doing is in my area, I've been doing a meetup with 4 or 5 people. Well, the pandemic brought that to an end. So can no longer, even on our meeting places closed. So over the next few weeks, I want to get together with some online sellers to where we can just talk. We can answer any questions that you may have, and we can just go from there. Also, you need some camaraderie in the business. It's like your wife, your mom, your dad, your whoever probably don't understand how Amazon or any of this stuff works. They probably have no clue on how we can all work together and sell online and do these kinds of things. And, you have to have a community that you can go to and people you can talk to whenever you're having issues that no one else will understand. So that's what I kind of wanted to get going there. Thank you guys for understanding. Thank you guys for being here with me. And if you would like to subscribe to OAXRAY or you want to talk about it, you guys can hit me up on Facebook or here on the comments on YouTube. We could talk about whatever you want. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day. And don't forget to use OAXRAY.